In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your balance on Binance, specifically focusing on the latest updates for 2025 using the web interface. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to crypto, knowing exactly where to find and interpret your balance information is essential for managing your portfolio effectively. Let's start by taking a closer look at what you'll see on the balances screen. When you first access this area, you'll encounter the total estimated value of all your wallets combined. This will be displayed either in Bitcoin or a fiat currency of your choice. It provides a snapshot of your entire asset holdings at a glance, which is incredibly useful for getting a quick overview of your financial position in the crypto market. Moreover, you'll find your individual asset balances spread across various wallet types such as spot, funding, margin, and futures. This categorization helps you understand where your funds are allocated and monitor each wallet's performance. Additionally, for those who prioritize privacy, Binance offers the ability to show or hide your total balance. This option ensures you can maintain discretion over your financial details, especially if you use your account in shared or public settings. Now, let's dive into the process on your desktop using Binance.com. Start by logging into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate your way by clicking on the Wallet tab. From there, choose either Overview or Assets, followed by Overview. Doing this will lead you to a comprehensive page where your estimated wallet balance is displayed. It includes both the cryptocurrency value and its respective converted fiat amount, making it simpler to assess your holdings according to current market conditions. Furthermore, the page breaks down your balances per wallet type, allowing you to see how much of your total balance is allocated in each category, like spot or funding. This breakdown is beneficial for managing your trading strategies and ensuring that your assets are optimally distributed. If you're interested in a specific wallet, whether to check recent transactions or to monitor specific assets, you can click directly on the wallet's name. For instance, if you want to view details in your funding wallet or spot wallet, simply click on its name, and you'll be taken to a more detailed overview. This specific focus can help you track any changes, particularly if you've engaged in recent trading activities. By following these steps, you'll have a clear and detailed understanding of your Binance balance, helping you to better manage your cryptocurrency investments. Thanks for tuning in, and stay savvy in the world of crypto.